Devin Lee. Welcome to Discover Space Organizing. I believe that most people understand that they should be organized, but for whatever reason, never get around to organizing their spaces, their time, their life. The truth is, if something's important to you, you will do it. So today I'd like to talk about my top 5 reasons for getting and staying organized. Because once you realize how important it is, maybe you'll try it. Benjamin Franklin said, "For every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned." I do believe that spending a little bit of time organizing will save you hours in the future. The amount of planning needed and wanted is different for everyone. Whether you plan ahead a little bit or a lot, it will definitely save you time. For example, it does feel like I spend a lot of my Sunday planning ahead to do meal prep, but I save so much time throughout the week, just not even having to think about what I'm eating for dinner. I also save time looking for things. I never spend time looking for my keys, helmet for my bike, makeup, my wallet. If the item I am looking for is not in the predetermined place, then I can say, it's lost. It's not just buried underneath a bunch of stuff, and I can take steps from there. The same goes for my schedule each week. Because I work from home and I work for myself, it's really easy for me to spend a lot of time wondering what I'm supposed to be doing. I plan my schedule out ahead of time so that when I sit down, I don't have to waste any time trying to decide what I need to do today. Number 2. Planning my trips ahead of time, my meals ahead of time, my work schedule ahead of time makes me feel at ease because it's already been taken care of. It's really easy for me to feel paralyzed and unable to start a project when I don't have the headspace to think about what to do first. But because I planned out all the steps I needed to take ahead of time when my brain was alert in the morning, by the time it's the afternoon and I'm feeling a little bit sleepy, everything is laid out exactly what I need to do. Thank you, past self, for taking care of future me. Reason number 3. Because my space is so organized, I know exactly how much I have of everything. I don't have doubles of things. I don't let anything expire. Because I plan my time ahead, I never have to make last-minute purchases because I wasn't prepared for the day. This topic kind of leads into my 4th and favorite reason for being organized. I hate food going to waste. My beauty products never expire. I don't buy extras on accident, and I make a point to use things before they go bad. Really small things like that fall through the cracks if you don't have a system in place that keeps you organized. If you're interested in seeing my low ways to go kit, let me know in the comments below. Reason number 5. To me, nothing is more beautiful than a freshly organized space where everything is exactly where it needs to go. That's that. Let me know in the comments below if you have your own reasons for being organized. I'd be curious to know. If you'd like more of this type of content, let me know, and there'll be a lot more coming soon. Till next time.